Hello everyone, this is Professor Dr. Satish Polshettiwar from MIT World Peace University, School of Pharmacy, Pune, India. Today is my topic for discussion, effective use of ICT tools for classroom teaching and learning, need of ours. So let me first thanks to all organizing team of MCE Society, Institute of Pharmacy, Pune. Also, I am very much thankful to the managements of MCE Society for giving these opportunities to all the faculties across the diploma faculty across the Maharashtra to make them aware about this effective use of ICT tools for teaching learning process and online assessments. Also, we are very much thankful to the MSBT sponsored MSBT for their sponsorship for this 1 week online FDP program. Also, I am very much thankful for all the coordinating team for inviting me as one of the speakers for this particular topics. Really, I am very much thankful, and I am really expressing my sincere thanks to them. Today's topic of discussion is effective use of ICT tools for classroom teachings. So you will be you are able to learn at the end of this presentation the impact of ICT. What is the impact of ICT in teaching and learning process? Also to aware about the various software tools that is being used for making the system more effective. Also, we will learn, you're going to learn about education 4.0. What is this education 4.0? Because this era is called as a digital era. That is the future of education. You have to understood all this kind of technology. We have the different technology. We have AR technology. We have VR technology. All of you know how the era has been started from 1.0 education to education 4.0. We were having the Roshimani and all Gurukul system. Now it has been transformed to we call it virtual reality, artificial intelligence era. That is called as ABCD era. That is A is nothing but artificial intelligence. B is blockchain era. C is called as cloud-based system. All of you know, everybody is using now cloud-based system. That is called as C, and D is data science. We have huge data science. Only one has to retrieve this data as and when required and utilize it for the making your system, teaching learning system more and more effective. You have to make the students more critical learner, a critical thinker. You have to always give the project-based learning. You have to always apply the PBL technique, that is called as Bloom taxonomy and PBL technique. That is called as the modern pedagogical techniques. It's very important. So all these things today in this session, all we are going to discuss. So thank you. Let us discuss this topic. So I am thankful to all the management teams who has been taken active participation and giving a lot of supports. So I am very much thankful and I express my gratitude towards all the advisory committee who has actively taking this initiative to bring this platform to all the faculty members of diploma colleges across the Maharashtra. Really, I appreciate their efforts and appreciate their work, whatever they are doing. Also, management team who has been taken this initiative to coordinate this activity. Thank you. Our dedicated IUP teams. Chief Coordinator, Program Coordinator Kirti Madam, Chief Coordinator Dr. V.N. Jagtap Sir, Taslim Qureshi, and other faculty members who has taken the initiative to organize this very impactful, we call as faculty development program for all the faculties. So what is the program objective of this particular FDP? To provide the basic knowledge in using the ICT tools for efficient teaching learning process and to engage student very effectively during the COVID-19 lockdown period. All of you having the challenge, okay? It's nothing but the very great challenge to all of us to how to cope up with this kind of problems. So this is we call as one initiative taken by this management team and the organizing team and MSBT to bring you the solution in the form of digital era or digital technology. We have so many software tools, so many technology. Only one has to take this forward, and one has to engage it very effectively in the teaching and learning process. Because this program objective of this particular FDP is to provide online virtual training and make all teachers aware about learning of various basic ICT tools, that is called as information communication tools, for proficient delivery of the talk, efficient sharing of the class material, which boosts and further enhance the student cognitive skills. That is very important. This is the era of digital technology. All of you know, we had a 1.0 education, then 2.0 education, then education 3.0. Then now we had a technology, that is AI technology, virtual technology, AR technology. Through that, one can engage your classroom teaching, one can make a flipped classroom, one can use all this kind of technology in your teaching learning process, and we can make your student more and more attainable. That is very important. That is a basic issue of the all faculties. So how we can use the technology, because many people are not aware about the technology, not aware about the software tools, how it has to be handled and all. So that is the main ultimate goal of this particular online FDP programs.